Nice, guys, I got a sea salt. I'm gonna try this. So, beep. Guys, I added the shampoo. It's 3-in-1 Purely Fun. So, I think it's gonna make some slime. Let's add the salt. Okay, girl, that's so many though. Okay, let's mix it. Guys, it is not working. I added baking soda, a ton of salt, a ton of lotion. A ton of shampoo and a bit of water. Now I'm gonna try to refrigerate it. I'm gonna be waiting. It's in the refrigerator. I'm gonna show you guys. Seal, that's proof, okay? Okay, I just took it out. Now I think it's becoming kind of slimy. So I think it worked. I'll just add a bit of more baking